Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And I just got off work. I work nights, and I saw that I got some Scentsy in, so I'm excited to unbox it for you. So if you enjoy this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that you know when I've uploaded something new. All right, let's get to unboxing. Huge haul. It was a lot of the Enliven the Senses stuff, and my customers really enjoyed the Scent Circle bundle, and I can't blame them because I'm a huge Scent Circle fan. So we'll go through and see what scents that they picked. These are, I think these are all for my, there might be some for me. I don't know. I order so much that I always forget what I ordered. Is that you or am I alone? All right, so let's see. Got quite a few bundles here. All right, we got Summer Moonlight, which I love. Sugared Strawberry, a couple of those. We got Prickly Pear and Agave. Another Sugared Strawberry. Squeeze the Day, which I love. Iridescent Pearl. Paradise Punch. Sunkissed Citrus. Love that. And let's see, one of my customers really likes Lemon Sorbet, and she really likes Skinny Dippin'. So you'll see a lot of that. Oops, which one did I drop? This one's a Pineapple Pucker. Okay, so I have so far 4. I bet there's more. Yeah, there's more. I think she did a 6-pack of Lemon Sorbet. Yeah, so Lemon Sorbet. And then probably, I think she did a 6-pack of Skinny Dippin'. She loves her Skinny Dippin'. And I think I got some as well because there's a lot here, and I think some of them are mine. So got a lot of those. And then we have a pink rhubarb sugar, another sugared strawberry, 2 more sugared strawberries, palm trees and ocean breeze, watermelon tangerine, a couple of those. I love that scent. Daydream Oasis, Pineapple Pucker, Skinny Dippin', Johnny Appleseed. These are some great scents. Let's see, a Shoreline Drive, Sandswept, like, I think we got a lot of them. Pineapple Mango. That was a great week that we had. The Enliven the Senses. Those bundles were amazing. Make a Splash. And another pink rhubarb sugar. Okay. So then the same girl, she got her 3 Skinny Dippins. She loves this scent. Skinny Dipping is actually my very first Scentsy scent. This and oh gosh, Paradise Punch. And I love both of these scents, but Skinny Dipping's amazing. If you love tropicals, you will love that scent. Let's see. Okay, now I don't know if you can see what's on my counter over there, or not my counter, my hanging thing, but I love Scentsy hand soap, and I really love Bright Cider Life. So I already have, I think, about 10 of them. And these are all for me. This is not stock. I don't carry stock. This is like for me, because what if they don't bring this back in the fall? Like, what will I do with my life? Like, tell me. I don't know. So I got 1, 2, 3 more of these. And I used my Hostess rewards because it was my party, and a bunch of people had been buying from my party already. So I had a lot of stuff saved up. These I know are mine. Blueberry Burst. I've got 3 of these. love this scent. Oh my gosh, so good. I have this going in my living room right now. It's part of the 3-pack for Easter, and I love the entire 3-pack. But earlier today, I dropped my daughter off at jiu-jitsu, and I came back home to work my business. And before I even got to my door, I can smell it. And I was like, oh man, it's so good. And then I got a couple of the raspberry lollipop, which again is part of the Easter collection. I already had some of the lemon drizzle cake. I had 2 packs of those already. So I got these. I love this 3-pack of scents so much. Okay, and this is hers again, Skinny Dippin' Travel Tin. She loves her Skinny Dippin'. And then this I ordered, I think she ordered 1 or 2 bars, 1 bar of Skinny Dippin'. I think these are mine. Yeah, I've gotten in an apricot vanilla mood. And so I went ahead and ordered myself a 3-pack of apricot vanilla. I just really like this scent. Oh, it's so pretty. I think tomorrow I'm going to put this in my bedroom. Ah, it's so good. It's so good. Right now, I'm struggling between whether I want to put wax in my warmers in my room or if I want to use my diffusers. Oh, this one I don't think has, no, this one doesn't have the oils. I have another order out that has some oils in it, but this is not it. I think this is hers too. Oh, 25-watt bulb. And then these were mine. I got a blue and a purple 15-watt bulb because I'm always needing them and then I can never find them because I leave them in warmers and then I put those warmers away. Then I just never have them. Now, the scent warmer of the month, I've already sent out my monthly samples to my customers, but I didn't have any more flyers for work because I advertise at work as well. So I ordered another pack of flyers and another pack of the stickers. And so that is my haul. It's not a huge haul, but it's a really good one. Oh my gosh, you should smell it in here right now. Oh, so good, you guys. Anyways, I hope you liked my video. And please like, subscribe, follow me everywhere. Let's be friends. Comment and let me know what of this you love. What is your favorite? And that's it. All right, you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.